Let me show you how to bring in files from the RLS Multimedia server to your computer and then into Final Cut Pro. Let's do it. So step one, let's go ahead, double click on the hard drive, open up the hard drive. Here's my RLS Multimedia server, okay? If you don't see it here, just click on all, you should see it right there, okay? Now, I'm going to go to public, I'm going to go to Videotech, I'm going to go to the files, I set them up right here. Is the ones highlighted in green, says FCP tutorial files Star Wars. All I want you to do, here's the files we'll need for this tutorial or what you'll be making, and I'm going to go click, hold, drag, and just drop it onto the desktop. And in this place I'm going to say, and here it is, I already have it. So tutorial FCP file, there I am, there's my folder. Next, I want to go ahead, now that I have it off RLS Multimedia server and I have it on my desktop, I'm going to go ahead and bring it into Final Cut Pro. So where is Final Cut Pro? If you don't have it, here it is down here. If you don't have it on your dock already, go up to Main Menu, Finder, Main Menu, go Applications. Inside of here, here's all my applications, alphabetical, Final Cut Pro. You could just click it to open it. Don't, or else you have to always come back to this folder. Go click, hold, drag, drop it down onto your dock. See how it separates? Once it separates like that, the other icons, then just release and it'll grab onto the dock. I'm putting mine back. Why? Because I already have mine on my dock down here. I'm going to close this. Then I'm going to go ahead, open up my Final Cut Pro. In Final Cut Pro, I have all these other projects that I'm working on. I'm going to create a new file, new event. Event is where I'm going to put these Star Wars items. So I'm going to type Star, I'm going to title my event. How about Star Wars underscore, what should I call it? Motion and green screen. And I can even just do motion. How about Star Wars tutorial for me? You can type whatever you want. Put Star Wars in your name, tutorial, or even tutorial, because that's what you're doing. Plus your name, that way I can give you credit for it. So that's what I'm going to do. Star Wars tutorial. I'm even going to highlight and copy it. Okay. Go Control C. Again, you're taught all this. And the reason is then, here's my Star Wars tutorial on the left-hand side over here. I'm going to click on it. Here where it says Untitled Project, I'm going to paste Star Wars tutorial. Now, I have my event. I have my tutorial. I'm now going to import those items on my desktop that I brought in from RLS Multimedia server. I'm going to import them into this event. So here's the event. Here's the project that I've created. This project is down. You see the Star Wars tutorial? This is this. Okay, so I double click on this. This one appears right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go File, Import Media, Main Menu, File, Import Media, Main Menu, File, Import Media. I'm going to go ahead and say where. I want to go to my desktop. And once I'm on the desktop, I'm going to look for about here. I'm on the desktop. So when I click on desktop, here's the three folders. And the folder I want is the one I brought in from RLS Multimedia server. It's this guy right here, FCP tutorial files Star Wars. I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to say import selected. Now I could do the drop down arrow and pick one at a time, but instead I'm going to pick on it. I'm going to go import selected, and it's in. I now have the folder that I want. And here's Leia, here's C3PO, here's the other C3PO, here's the background. I even have R2D2, I have some music. I'm perfect. Now that I have all of this event, I'm going to double click on my Star Wars tutorial, and the very next tutorial or training in part 2 is going to show you now how to start building and editing it down here on the timeline. Have fun.